Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Looking for a way to generate unlimited AI images for free? Well, this video is dedicated to you as I'm going to share step-by-step instructions on how to do that. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. On your default web browser, you need to visit this page. Here, click on this play button on the left side of the screen. Once you see this dialog box, click on Run Anyway to continue the process, and this will execute the script. Basically, this will start creating an AI image generator tool. The whole process will take 4 to 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. Once done, you will find these two links. Click on the link next to running on the public URL. This will open the image creator tool on the new tab. You can save this URL as it's valid for 72 hours. After that, you need to execute the command again to run this tool. Before you start using the tool, let's make some quick changes for this AI tool settings. For that, click on the advanced option. This will unlock the settings panel on the right. Here, using this drop down, select the preset as per your requirement. I'll go with realistic. Wait for a few seconds and this will apply the setting. You can also track the changes on this tab as well. During the process, if you see this error, just ignore it and reload the page and continue making changes to the settings. Next, set the performance to extreme speed, and using this dialog box, set the aspect ratio depending on your preference. I'll go with 5:3. You can also select output image format as well. I will go with PNG. Apart from this, there are some other settings as well, but I recommend you not to make any changes. Let's generate the first image. For that, simply type or copy paste your prompt and wait for the magic to happen. That's it. Finally, we have the image matching my prompt. Download it to the computer by clicking the download button here. Let's try another prompt. And again, this tool didn't disappoint me. This is an amazing tool to create unlimited AI images without paying a single penny. Also, you can follow the same steps on your mobile device to create and generate AI images. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.